Good day guys, if your Verizon Fios remote isn't working properly, maybe the buttons are unresponsive or it's not syncing with your TV, resetting it often fixes the problem. And in this video I'll show you how to reset your Fios remote step by step. So first confirm which remote you have. The reset process is slightly different depending on the model, but most newer remotes follow the same method. On most Fios remotes, press and hold the OK button, which is right over here, until the LED blinks twice, and then press 9, 0 and 0 on the number pad. The LED will blink again, confirming the reset. And after the reset, you'll need to repair the remote with your Fios TV box. So you just point the remote at the box, then press and hold the play/pause and 0 button until the blue light flashes. Your TV should show a confirmation once pairing is complete. So once again, the play pause, which is right over here, and 0. And now guys, you can try changing the channel or adjusting the volume. If it works, your reset was successful. If not, you may need to replace the remote or contact Verizon support. So this is an easy process to reset your Verizon Fios remote. Quick and simple. If this video helped you out, don't forget to press thumbs up on the video if you enjoyed it, and if it was helpful, and of course subscribe.